In this video, we're going to take a look at the Garmin eTrex SC and a specific situation that occurs when you turn on your device and getting ready to do an activity, a hike or whatever. So you are in your tracking section or on your map page and you're about to start your activity and you see this straight line that is drawn on your track. And you probably don't know why it's there. That is mainly due to the activity recording. A lot of recent Garmin GPSs will start recording as soon as you turn it on, as opposed of having the device turned on and then you starting the controls. So in order to access these settings so that you can set up the way you want, all we have to do here on the map page, we're going to tap on the OK button and we're going to go to tracking controls, press OK again. And in our case here, we wanted to start our hike right here, but we don't want this extra information that I was recording on another day. I turned off the device, and then when I turned back on, I got the straight line because it was resuming the activity from last time, but it didn't know that I moved location. So in order to do this, all we have to do is simply scroll down and select discard, and then press OK, and then we can discard the activity and start fresh with our brand new activity right here. Well, what about for next time? Well, all you have to do now is hit back, get back to your main menu, and let's go down to settings, hit OK, then we'll go down to recording, and then from here we can set things up. First thing, we can probably set the activity type. We have all sorts of different activities to choose from. We're going to select hiking. And then from here, the important setting is the auto start option. Out of the box, it will be turned on, but you can turn off the auto start. That will prevent the recording to start as soon as you turn on the device, and then you can actually start it afterwards. And then another setting of interest would be the auto pause. Anytime you're stopped, the timer will stop and the recording will kind of pause for a little bit. Might be useful if you're doing a lot of start stops, but if you wanted to get a big picture of your overall day, you may want to have this turned off. And the last option that maybe you've used is the auto save. Here it's set to never, but we have the option to save activities weekly, daily, or auto. So I'm going to flip this to auto, and now we have our settings. We can go back, and now next time that we are using our device ready to record an activity, we can either go to our map page, go to our tracking controls, and start our activity like that. And now we're ready to go. And there you go. That is quickly how to clear out your activity recording on your Garmin eTrex SE and to set the settings.